Good morning, friends. CS 8080 Information Schedule Technique, fourth year, 8th semester. A casted on meat item and order through mobile application in daily fresh meat shop. So, company name and address: Euro Engineering, Coimbatore, Thrust Area Big Data Analytics, Industrial Vertical, Smart City. So, this is my empathy part. I take this example for Sardar, the pure meat shop. So it's difficult to maintain manual and showcase in store. Lot of human resources and paper waste and more time required. So example, I take on my customers each and every time to visit the shop and showcase the what are the meats are available based on if you want to chicken or mutton or the fish, whatever you need. Already completed process in showcasing the customer, and then a lot of human resources and paper waste. The means paper means refer silver papers. So more time required for to preparing all those things, and including a customer waiting time as well as preparing time or whatever may be. So this is my problem statement. Default maintain manual and showcase meat item in a store and prepare waste due to the human resource. So after finishing of these items are prepare and showcase the customer. So every customer come to shop and visit, choose the meat item and preparing slides, slide. Slice of the meat, and after that packing of the using of the silver paper after hand over to the customer. These are waiting times are more required. So after that uh, after that the uh, billing time is more required to my customers. So these problems arise at the meat shop. So we have give a solution based on that one, to define easiest one way in order and pick arriving an order and pick up the meats. This is a solution to develop a mobile application for meat item arrival and order and updated the details sent through the app in daily fresh meat shop and customers. So each and every time the customers, if you want to example, if you want to natukoli or broiler, if you select process, after that order it and cash payment through the mobile app, and whenever the customers order ready to receive the message from meat shop, we go for and pick and return back to home. Easiest way. So each and every time waiting and preparing packing, these are more time required that whole restaurant. Now there is no need to waiting for my customers. Just order it, and at the time you can cash through mode. For example, payment through banking side, online banking or card or cash. Easiest one way to apply these solutions. This methodology, the database collection for meat item in shop, to create the admin and user login, to allocate user login for each family in particular personal number, each family day-to-day refilling detail or updated meat item verified through mobile application, and family members must order the payment through the mobile application. Once the meat items are collected and segregated and after completed in showcase with a cool temperature, after the customers after that the shopkeepers take a photograph and as well as updated in system and mobile. After the send those who are registered customers easily access this one and verify and put the tick mark or add to the cart. Easy to transfer, easy after order received from me, all those things are completed, packing including packing. The whether the asking the shopkeeper asking to customer whether you coming and pick up the product or deliver the product to your current address. If you completed the process of over, through the payment sent through online banking or ATM card, debit card, or cash on delivery. This processor updated through the app after completion, and some of the people come to meet shop and pick up and return back to home. This is a methodology for uh, process. This is the second. This is a pictorial representation. So database collection meet item and login creation. User login for each family in particular personal ID number. Refiling details are updated. Meet item verify through the mobile application. Order and payment through mobile application based on that one. So after that, this is benefits. So benefits reduce the time, easy monitoring and meet the stocks and updated the details sent through the mobile application in a daily fresh made shop in our customers. They reduce the human resource facility and reduce the paper waste in the area. This is references Lysias by the meet on online Coimbatore. This is one of the example of easiest way to buying and selling of the meat uh, process in online process. This is my references, and thank you.